Many times, because of our pride, we try to compare with other people. Pride compares with other people. When you look at other people and their post, your pride says you need to be in that post. You need to be in that position. You need to buy that property. You need to have that personality. This is how the pride will destroy you. People who suffer with pride are the people, they always compare themselves with others. I need that post. I need that position. I need that property. I need that personality. And because of this, there are many people, they live restless and peaceless and joyless life because of their pride. Let us see what is this. What is your educational qualification? What is your income? Pride forgets about it. Pride says, I want that post, top post. I need to be in the top position. I need to be in the top property. I need to buy that property. Do you really need it? No. Then why do you want that property? Because my brother brought it. Because my colleague brought it. Because my friend brought it. If they are in that position, why should I be in the lower position? If they are enjoying that post, why should I be in this post? Comparison. If they are able to buy that property, why should I not buy that property? And if they have that personality, why should I not have that personality? People always compare with others. Let us not compare with others and destroy peace that God has given to us. Many times people buy expensive cars just because someone bought it. Many people buy expensive clothes just because their colleague buys it. Many people buy expensive gold and jewelry just because of the neighbor bought it. And finally they land into a problem. The problem that is in your family is just pride. The problem you are facing in your job is just because of your pride. The problem that you are facing in your business is just because of your pride. The Bible. Do you know why you wear expensive clothes? Just because you want people to look at you. People should be attracted towards you. Do you know why people want to buy expensive car? When they come out of that car, they expect everyone to look at them. Do you know why people want to live in expensive properties, expensive location, expensive apartment? It's not because they really need it. It's just because everybody should see it. And now it comes to personality. People spend so much of money to maintain their personality. Some are always in the gym. Some are always around the beauty parlors. Some are always with the doctors. Why? Personality. I need to maintain personality. What for? Attract people. When I walk into office, everyone should look unto me. You know why? It's called pride. When you want people to be attracted towards you by seeing your post, or by seeing your position, or by seeing your property, seeing your personality, you want people to be attracted towards you, is the nature of pride. Do you have that? Do you possess that nature? then God cannot answer your need.